Good afternoon. My name is Astrid Lorena Gutierrez. I am 28 years old. I live with my parents and my uncle. I live in Bogota. I am studying technique, but I work in a supermarket, so I can study. Well, the last weekend I went with my family to Cali. We met the city and it was very hot and very beautiful. We went there to visit to my aunt, and she is nice and kind, and her family she lives with his husband and her two sons. They are my cousins, and we have a very good time. Thank you.